Good morning, Italy. Now we are currently alongside to Naples, Italy. This is our ship, Holland America Line, and beside us there is one huge, big ship, Norwegian Cruise Lines, dock behind us. This ship contains of around 6,000 passengers, including crew members. It's really big. It's about 16 decks from C deck to deck 14. And now I'm heading back to the ship. I just bought a souvenir for my wife. Hello. So guys, this is the whole city of Naples, Italy. And there's a castle over there where those excursions and visiting. And here are some of our passengers. Yan, yung barko mi. Kaya nga madyan ka 8 months.